Okay, hi everybody. How are you doing? Hopefully you are doing fantastic. And this is Iqbal Khandaker once again back with you. And in this video, I'm going to show you the natural beauty of my village. As you can see right now, I'm standing at the bamboo bridge, and this is the bamboo bridge. Right now, I'm standing middle of the bridge, and this is the river. The river name is Ganga Joli, and this river has a lot of specialties now because this river has made dividation or separation. This is the another upajala and there is the another upajala, and the name of upajala is Belabo, and the another upajala there is Monohordi. So this river has just made a border, a dividation between the two upajala. And actually, whenever I was child, I have seen that this river was so famous. Especially there are a lot of steamer boats. They were driving in this river. But right now, I can't see any other steamer or boat that they are driving on this river. So they all have lost it. I don't know. I guess due to low level of water, the boats or the steamer, they can't come here. That's why it has lost it. And right now I'm speaking just at the middle of the bamboo bridge in here. He's my niece. His name is Mr. Sabbir Ahmed, and she is my nephew, and her name is Samia Khandaker. And they're very good at schooling. They are learning, even they are also learning English. They're taking the advice from like how they can learn English. Okay, that's another issue. So I think right now I'm staying at the village area, and this village is so much special for everyone, I guess, because our childhood life, I mean our elementary life, it was starting from our village area, and approximately a huge amount of time, like 20 to 30 years, we maximum people we are staying at the village before getting any job. And that's why a huge amount of experience we have gathered from our village. And in our village, every village, not only in our village, every village, a lot of profession they are living, like the teacher, the fisherman, the farmer, or any other profession. People are living in the village, and we are learning the norms, the rules and regulation, the discipline, the behavior, all those things from our village. And that's why we must have to love our village. And it's true, like we are getting overwhelmed whenever we see the beautiful village where we have born and raised. So just have a look. This is the fishing net where the fishermen used to catch the fish, and they are catching huge amount of fish, and it's really a breathtaking view of the village. I bet that is. So who are watching right now this video, hopefully you have enjoyed this video too much, because I have shared the natural view of my village and shared my past experience, what I have learned from my village. And as this video is going to be made in English, so who are here, who are watching right now these videos, hopefully you are motivated to learn English, or you are passionate to learn English. That's why you are watching my videos. And I believe that you are in the right place. So if you think this video is helpful for you to learn English, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. So that is for today. Hope to see you in another video. Till then, stay best, stay motivated. Bye.